to build the house. Now, that match that you just saw a couple of minutes ago, I don't know what happened. But, look, I'm dirty. And if you're having trouble washing yourself, you came to the right place. When you first get in, just sit down and relax. Oh, and don't forget, add some soap. And don't forget the sponge. See ya. Make you shine. And see yourself. See. And wash yourself. Gotta get shampoo. And well, join us next week on Buildbusters Jacuzzi.